So I needed to turn the camera. So I'm gonna say hello to who I see in today's video. There is Luis, who is always helping us with Ermo, Patrick, Rina, Kiki, Ruben, Siwani, Yamana, and Crazy Raven, that I believe that's wrong. Hello, everybody. Welcome to this week's Sumo call. I'm sorry. Another call tomorrow. Let's set up school. Today we have Patrick and Rina to us, and Patrick, we would like to talk and share a little bit about the new Sumo community manager posting job opportunity. So Patrick, the floor is yours. And afterwards, we will address the questions that they are on Discord.
Yeah, thanks, Constantina. We've posted the job posting for the support community manager. Recruiting has started on it. If any community members know people who might be interested, or you're interested yourself, please follow the link on the careers page and submit your application. One of the questions that we've seen from contributors is this the only job posting that we're going to put up? No. We had to prioritize how we do hiring. The recruiting group here at Mozilla is pretty small, and as you can imagine, if you look at the careers page, there's a lot of different things going on in the hiring space. So we prioritized getting the support community manager in, but there's going to be further roles introduced to the careers page in the coming weeks once we get those job descriptions put together and approved. We do intend to backfill another community support member in addition to this manager posting. So yeah, if you know anybody who's interested, please have them submit their resume.
Thank you very much, Patrick. And I see on the locations, it's actually in Berlin or in US or like basically North America, right?
Yep.
Are there going to be any openings for remote in Europe, or that's only Berlin?
I think we want somebody for this position to be in an office or in the US to be able to interface with the rest of the team. We haven't discussed remote possibilities for the other position.
Cool. Thank you very much. Are any questions in the room about Patrick and the new job opening? No? All right. Patrick, would you like to add anything else, or should I move to the next topic?
One of the other things that we've seen come up is some people thinking that we're going to change the Sumo community name. The name of the site isn't changing. The name of Sumo, the community contributors, is not changing. We have no desire to take away that identity. We have been discussing changing the name of our team internal to Mozilla. I think with the creation of paid products, that experiment last year, and where things are going with enterprise and other paid products this year, the responsibilities of Sumo have increased beyond just community-based support. So we've had to look at changing our name internally so the rest of the organization knows that we're providing services broader than just community support. The name that we've kind of landed on is user and product service. So if you've heard talk of name changes, it is for that reason, so we can so it's clear to our internal Mozilla stakeholders what our project is, but nothing's changing with Sumo or community or how we involve contributors with support.
Thank you very much, Patrick. All right, I don't see any other questions. We had one question about when the job opening is gonna be posted, and well, it's already up there. I applied on Discord. So if any other questions come up, I will let you notify you, Patrick, so you can address them on the Discord topic.
Sounds good.
Cool. I will pass now the microphone to Kiki. Kiki wrapped up the Sumo days yesterday, sorry, and she has some stats and some gratitude to give. Kiki, the floor is yours.
Yeah, thank you so much, Constantina. So as you might probably have already seen this statistic from my email, but I'm going to share it anyway. So in roughly 2 weeks from our sprint, we have finished answer for 405 tweets and a total of 140 form questions. So thanks to you all, we have accomplished that much, even though we have a very limited time on planning. But yeah, also I sent in the link to the survey. So if you have some time, please take the time to fill out the survey because it really helps us to improve our next sprint. So yeah. Oh, I also want to make a one shout out for the WoW team who already done a very good job on replying so much tweets and forum support. So thank you for Christoph, who else? Bitin, I guess, and also for your mama for doing a lot of work in the WoW team. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Chris of Yamama, and Bitin for all your hard work, and thank you all for participating in this team sprint. Of course, there's gonna be another sprint in next release, 66, that is coming in March, if I'm not wrong. I hope I'm not wrong and I'm missing on the dates. Roland knows the dates better than me. In that note, I'm gonna just let you know that we have an updated release of 16.5.0.1. There's some bug fixes. So if you see anything about those bugs, you can go on the wiki and see the notes, and you can check the bug fixes in case you are hearing anything about them. And again, every time you're hearing something and you don't know how to reply to it, do reach out on Telegram or on IRC or on Slack, or just PM us personally. We will find a solution to you for you, and or we can help the rest of the community members that know a lot of stuff. So don't feel the pain if you don't know the answer. It's totally fine. Probably we also don't know an answer as well, but we will be able to direct you to the correct resources so you can help all the users you need. All right, I'm gonna open the floor if anybody has any questions. Otherwise, we can end this call early.
Whoa, I can actually go to my next meeting. All right.
All right, thank you very much all. Thank you, Luis, for helping us out. And see you all next week.
Thank you. Thanks, Emma. Bye.
Mhm.